Let's take a moment and review academics at the University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff. We have so many options for you to choose from, but we're just going to review a few of them now. We have the School of Agriculture, Fisheries, and Human Sciences. There are so many areas for you to study in this school, including hospitality. We have dietetics. We have so many different offerings under this school, and there are scholarships available, which we'll talk about a little bit later on. We have the School of Arts and Sciences. This covers the STEM areas: science, technology, engineering, mathematics, also art, music, and other areas within the arts school. We also have the School of Business and Management, where you can choose from business management. You may want to study accounting or economics. The School of Education. Have you always wanted to teach? Well, this is a great place to do that. If you choose other academic areas, there may be a teaching option available for that as well. So don't not look at your options. In addition to the schools, we have the Carolyn F. Blakely Honors Program. It also has a component for enrichment. So those of you who are at a certain academic level, you're an honor student in high school, consider joining the Carolyn F. Blakely Honors Program. And once you are on campus, that is a consideration for you as well as an honor student. We have the University College and also the Division of Military Science, our ROTC. So if you're in military science in your high school, you may want to seek that out as a means for helping to pay for your tuition, but also if you plan to graduate and join the military. So let's take a look at student success. We are dedicated to your success here at UAPB. We're offering tutoring. We also have a supplemental instruction program. It's kind of like tutoring on steroids. Takes it a step further, maybe having someone in the classroom with you, but giving you that specialized attention that you need. There's an academic recovery program. We also have in place a new retention coordinator. So we want you to stay here. We're doing everything possible to support you in making sure that you matriculate positively and return each semester. We also have a transfer coordinator. So those of you who have begun your educational career at maybe a two-year school or another institution and want to join the Pride, we have a coordinator who's available, waiting and ready to help you in that transfer. There's also career services. So you will come in and sign up for career services. It's a volunteer program. We want you to join it in your freshman year so we can work on your transcript, your skills in interviewing, so that you can earn an internship and get those experiences that you need in addition to your academic degree that'll make you career ready once you graduate. So next, we're going to have Mrs. Green to talk about scholarships, because once you enroll, we want you to be able to effectively pay for your education.
Thank you, Mrs. Riles. Again, we have our academic scholarships, which start at a minimum ACT of a 17 and a 900 on the SAT with a 2.75 GPA. Although we've waived the testing requirement for admission, they still stand for scholarship purposes. As Ms. Riles mentioned, we have the 1890 Scholarship Program, which is awarded to students who are majoring in fields within agriculture, aquaculture, fisheries, and the human sciences. If you have a 2.8 GPA or higher, you can qualify for one of the 1890 scholarship programs. You would just need to visit the main website and click on the Agriculture Scholarship banner to get some additional information on which majors are qualifiers, and the amount is based upon your GPA and the rank in the program in which you are majoring in. Scholarships starting at $5,000 a year, ranging all the way up to $10,000 per year. We also have the out-of-state fee waiver for those residents of Shelby County, Tennessee, Texarkana, Texas, and Bowie County. Students qualify for in-state tuition as long as they live on campus and maintain a 2.5 GPA each semester. Although that does say live on campus, we know with COVID-19, so many students are choosing the option of 100% virtual coursework. If you have an academic scholarship that requires on campus or you qualify for one of the waivers, we are going to waive that residential requirement and honor scholarships amidst COVID-19.
Good news.
We have the Neighbors of Arkansas Tuition Assistance Program that students that reside in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Missouri, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Illinois can qualify for. Depending on your GPA and test score, it could be a waiver of 90, 80, or 50%, which is the difference between in-state and out-of-state tuition. You must enroll in 12 credit hours each semester, and again, that residential component will be waived due to COVID-19. We have our Associates to Bachelor's A to B program, which offers a clear pathway for those first degree seeking students who are concurrently enrolled in an associate's degree program at CARC and a bachelor's degree program here at UAPB. And you're wondering, what does that have to do with me? Well, let's talk a little bit about what the requirements are for our A to B program. So students who did not meet regular admission, what that means, you were denied admission. You did not participate in the Lines program, you missed that window, and you still want to come to UAPB, this is the option for you. You can come to UAPB through A to B. As I stated, you will be concurrently enrolled at both CARC and at UAPB, taking 9 credit hours at CARC, which would be your home institution, and UAPB would serve as your host institution. So what does that mean for you? We would host you on our campus. You would be able to live in our residential facilities, take advantage as if you were a full-time UAPB student, and be enrolled in both places. That's just a way for us to ensure you make that transition and that we get you enrolled in our bachelor's degree programs.